Okay, the second box for today. As you can see, it is it's much taller and it's much heavier than the first one. Let's dig into this. We got a big box inside and a smaller box. Okay. Whew. I have in front of me two boxes. One of them is Atomy Cafe Arabica Coconut, and the other one is Atomy Cafe Arabica Americano. Ooh, so is this the famous coconut coffee from Southeast Asia?
Yeah, you're right. Both of these are GSGS products produced in Thailand and exported through the Atomy sales network.
Okay, so these were sourced in Thailand, but they're sold throughout the world.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, okay. So Korea also has an Arabica that I know, right? An Arabica Black, but how is this one different?
So unlike the Korean one, these ones from Thailand are certified halal products.
Ah, okay. So there's been an increased awareness and interest in halal food around the world these days. So I'm actually kind of impressed how fast Atomy has responded to that global trend. So let's try this halal certified Arabica Black and coconut coffee. Let's go. All right, because this is sourced in Thailand, most of it's written in Thai, but I have pulled up here the English translation that is available to talk about the product. It says here that they use Brazilian and Colombian coffee blends. So they source the coffee beans in Brazil and Colombia, then they take it to Thailand to do the final processing. And it says that Atomy only uses hand-harvested Arabica beans. So there's no machine harvesting here, which is great. And it's made with 100% high-quality Arabica beans. Now, unfortunately, some cheaper coffees in Thailand, I hear, use low-quality beans and they use unhealthy creamers. But with Atomy Arabica Black, they only use healthy coconut cream. So you can enjoy premium quality coffee with a relatively lower price. All right, so in this one box of Arabica Black, there are 80 individually wrapped coffees. So if you want to open it, here there are dotted lines. You're going to poke into it like that, pull out, and then you can put this on your shelf, in your cabinet, and you already have this little stand, this little container built in where you can pull out these instant coffee packets one at a time. Handy, right? And then over here, we have 200 packs of this Cafe Arabica coconut. And very similarly, on the side of the box here, that's heavy, man, wow. If you poke in on this, you've got the packs already there available to you that you can mix with some hot water. There are 200 of these in there. That's a really good deal. That's a lot of bang for your buck. All right, it's my favorite time of the day, coffee drinking time. So we are going to make some of this Arabica Black. Now, a great thing about this Arabica Black is that it dissolves in cold water. When it's in the summer or people who just like iced coffee, it is kind of a hassle to take your instant coffee, mix it with warm water, and then put ice in it, right? Well, with this, it dissolves so well, you can actually skip the step of hot water and just use cold water. So I'm going to take 2 packets. I really like my coffee, so we are gonna open these up. Packet number 1, packet number 2. Now I'm not using hot water, this is cold water. Mix it up just a little bit, but you can already see it's practically all dissolved just from me pouring it in the glass. Let's take a drink. Oh, that is nice. Now this does not taste like instant coffee. This tastes like I got it from a barista. This is really deep, it's nice and refreshing, and because it's cold, I could probably, on a hot summer day, drink this just all day. That's good. But we can't just have this coffee. We also have to try the Atomy Cafe Arabica Coconut, right? So let's try that one as well. Here we go. Ooh, this looks nice. Let's Yeah, that looks about right. Whoop. We're gonna mix it. Okay. So I'm gonna take this. Smells wonderful. It's really nice. It has this very soft, creamy texture to it whenever you drink it. That is very enjoyable. I like this.
But you know what? Since it's too plain and just boring to try it like that, so we prepared something special for you.
PD, what is this? What do I have in front of me?
So that's 달고나. Have you heard of it?
달고나, like in Squid Game.
Yeah, that's right. So it's a homemade recipe. It went viral in Korea, how we make like 달고나 coffee. So we have the coffee in front of you, and that's just 달고나 with plain milk. So do you want to try? Mix it up.
Okay, so this is the 달고나 from Squid Game that's like kind of crumbled up with milk. I'm drinking so much coffee.
I know, right?
Oh, looks wonderful. Oh, it's nice and sweet. It's refreshing. You know, it honestly reminds me of like an iced vanilla latte. That kind of sweetness with the milk and then the really deep coffee flavor. Oh, I can drink this. Can I have another one? I can probably drink this whole thing.